Hi! In front of me is CUBOT P50 and today I would like to show you how you can install and then apply iOS launcher on this CUBOT. Firstly, just open Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in iOS launcher. Now you need to install this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, select Open. Then wait for the pop-ups to show. Now, in order to continue, you need to select Allow, and while using the app, in all of the pop-ups. So while using, Allow. Then swipe up and choose Home button. Now you need to click on iOS launcher, set up always, click on OK, and tap on Got it. As you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my CUBOT. But you can always just switch between your layouts by going into Devices Settings, choosing Apps and Notifications, clicking on Advanced and selecting Default Apps. From here, select Home app and tap on iOS Launcher or Quick Step. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!